Hello, you've chosen Bob Ross. Painting with Bob Ross. So, enjoy.
I'm going to start off today with a little bit of phthalo blue. And let's go up here and just using our little crisscross strokes, let's just drop in a happy little sky. Just start at the top and work all the way across. Just making little X's. And then begin working downward. And your color is mixing with the liquid light continually and automatically. Automatically. Your sky will get lighter and lighter toward the horizon.
His is more of a
and that's
square.
one of those little tricks that help create the illusion of depth in your painting.
Rectangle.
As things get farther away from you in the landscape, they should get lighter in value. So let the liquid white work, and it'll happen automatically here. Okay. And just sort of blend it all together.
Okay. I'm going like this. He's going like
there
this.
There we are.
Okay. I got it.
Very lightly. Just go across it. It takes out the brush strokes. Isn't that easy? Large brush. We'll just pull that. And then it'll mix with the liquid white that's on the canvas, and automatically it'll get lighter and lighter down toward the base. Just softer and softer. There we go. And that son of a gun should look like it's just sort of floating right up here in the sky. And it gives you a nice base now to begin. Really need a firm paint. This paint should be very firm. You know, people say, how firm is it? Look at that. The knife literally sticks right on the palette. It's very firm. Cut off a little roll of paint, like so. Now then, no pressure. No pressure. There. See there? Just touch and just let it flow right down the side of the mountain. But no pressure. You want it to break like this and have all those little holes and bumps in it. There we go. And up here.
Ah,
nice. It's so easy at times, it's hard. There we go. No pressure though. Can't see that.
Okay, I need more paint.
Probably would lift upward. See? And all that little misty things just sort of happen. Over here, follow these angles. Sometimes I'll take a little of that blue in the brush. Maybe you want to bring this right on around. I'll take a little of that shadow color, and we can just make it sort of look like it wraps around. Isn't that sneaky? It adds a little more interest to your mountain. That easy. And just sort of tap it out. Bring it together. Okay. So that's all there is to it. Let's have some fun. Maybe they ran him off, made him go live out here by himself. All kinds of things. You can get another fan brush. I have several of them going so I don't have to continually clean them. We'll take a little of that same color we made the tree out of and go into some cad yellow. And that'll turn a beautiful green of some little grassy areas that are far, far away back here.
Can't get those trees.
Just a few. It's too far away to see a lot of detail. You can grab that and lift upward, make it look like a little distance. We can just come right up in here, and we'll just cut in a happy little waterline. Act like you're just trying to cut a hole right through the canvas, back and forth. This canvas is tough. Chances are you couldn't hurt it if you wanted to. There, see? And maybe there's a little ripple lives out here. And one out here, wherever you want them. Okay. Now then, tell you what, I like doing those trees. Let's do another one. Better. Maybe there lives in our world bigger evergreen here. Big, strong son of a gun. Use the corner of the brush and just make trees as we want it here. There we go. Now, I'm going to go over here and find me a 1-inch burn to it and get a very small roll of paint on the knife. Okay, now then, let's go up here. Just put the indication here and there of a few little tan and white. Same thing we used on the other side. There, bushes somewhere. Just basic shape. Then we'll take some white, a little dark sienna. Exact technique. A little more of the liquid white. Back into my yellows and greens. There we go. See, now let some of these things come up over the path. That'll push the path.
So this is my final painting. I don't think I did Bob Ross justice, but it turned out kind of like it. I just don't have the brushes like him and the skill set. So that's that. But I hope you enjoyed Bob Ross, following a Bob Ross tutorial. This is not something I'm proud of. I like this side right here, but this just feels like a blob. But it looks better on camera, so there's that. But thank you for watching, and tune in next time to see another episode with Bob Ross. Thank you.